Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying the mesh concept immediately. Read the two crossing receivers and the QB's eyes. Once done, select the nearest linebacker or slot corner to user control, because manual engagement wins here. Make sure to shade inside, set press on the receiver, and bring the edge rusher 0, 5 seconds earlier. These first moves create disruption. You force timing errors, and you'll be ready to execute the next, more complex layer of defense. You now execute the disruption by rushing at precise timing. At snap, trigger the user linebacker through the A-gap to hit the mesh before the QB sets. While blitzing, be ready to switch to the nearest receiver for a user tackle if the ball arrives. Stick to him with aggressive pursuit. Also, maintain contain on the edge so the QB cannot scramble around the pressure. These coordinated actions collapse the mesh window and convert pressure into turnover chances. You finish by capitalizing on disruption. As soon as the mesh is affected, swarm to the ball and prioritize the nearest tackle or jump the catch. This turns disruption into a stop. If opponents adapt, mix zone and man coverages and vary your pre-snap keys to break their timing. If control issues occur, reset user control and camera quickly to regain reliability. Follow these ending steps, and you'll consistently shut down mesh and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.